Hi guys, I have a new build for you today. If you didn't know, the Pulse build is now gone, but I have a great replacement for you. It has that same nice, clean look to it. And it's from the Beast. And you guys are gonna love it. So let's see, we're starting out at movies here. Underneath, they have Metallic, Elysium, Death Streams, Not Sure, Rebirth, and Gurzel. The submenu has Neptune Rising, Strictly HD, Cypher, Wolfpack, Falcon Movies, and DeLorean. If we click on Movies, it brings up Extended Info Mod. So for this to work properly, make sure you're on KODI 17.3 or 17.6. I'm sure you all have seen it, but we'll look at it real quick, okay? So when you click on a movie, it brings up this beautiful looking page. Then they list the add-ons you can choose to play the movie with. Same thing when you hit play. Down below, they have recommended movies based on this one. Related, they have official videos and cast members, crew members. So if you want to see a cast member, go ahead and click on them. And it'll bring up their bio and the movies and television shows that they've been in. Some photographs, some fan art, really nice stuff. So I always like that extended info mod, very nice looking. Then you have your widgets here at the top as well. So if you click on a widget, that's going to open up Rebirth. Alright, so next is sports. There's Rising Tides, Retro Sports, UK Turks, Bob Sports, Scheme Streams, and Sports World, as well as Sports Mania, Falcon Sports, Motor Replays, Sports Devil, Planet MMA, Football Replays, Deliverance, WWE, The Loop. Next is Kids. Not Sure, Bob's Kids, Cypher Anime, Cartoons 8, Cartoon Crazy, FGTV, Binky TV, Minecraft, Wolfpack, Quantum, and StreamHub. Next is All-in-Ones. Maverick, which I love Maverick. Wolfpack, Bob, UK Turk, Not Sure, Retromania. Falcon, Pyramid Supremacy, these I love as well. Quantum, Project Cypher, Vortex, StarTech, Goodfellas, StreamHub. Some of these here you want to try with Real Debrid. They work really well with that. Next is Live TV. So they have X Sports TV, UK Turk, Made in Canada, TV Player, Freeview, Cypher IPTV, iView TV, Guide, BBC iPlayer, iTV Player, Maverick IPTV, Not Sure, Film on Simple, Goodfellas, Wolfpack, Project X, Quantum, and Mobdina. Now we're in Encore. Great add-ons. Strictly HD, Knockout, Rebirth, Oculus, Planet MMA, Project D, UK Turk, Bob Unleashed, The Pyramid, Deliverance, Maverick TV, Wrestling on Demand, Neptune Rising, Death Streams. Then you have your system, your video add-ons, your program add-ons, music, file manager, and update the build. Clear cache, clear packages, clear thumbnails, clear crash logs, and you can do a fresh start here. So if you want to do another build, you can go right into fresh start. It'll clear everything out for you. Next is music, the jukebox. We love house, the music source, FTG, karaoke, Thunderstruck, MP3 streams, YouTube, TuneIn Radio, UK Turks, Beats, Indie Mix, Jukebox Hero, Urban Mix. And last we have TV shows. Same as before, search with Metallic, Elysium, Death Streams, Not Sure, Rebirth, Gurzel, Cypher, Wolfpack, DeLorean, Falcon TV shows Maverick and Supremacy. This build is filled with great add-ons. You can scroll along the top and get some more shows, and the widgets pop up for you. Beautiful build. Love it. It's a great replacement for Pulse, guys. Alright, so in order to get this build, we need to head over to their website to register, and it's thebeast2.com. And when you get there, you want to scroll down, and at the bottom they have instructions. If you need to review them, you can just go over it there. But right here, you need to enter your name, an email, and a password. Then click here on register. Then you get thank you for registering with us. Please log in to continue. Click on login and scroll down to here. Enter your email and your password. Click login. And the next step is to verify your email. Scroll down and right here click verify. Scroll down, put your email and password and log in again. And now when you scroll down, you'll see here it says verified. Okay, so you're all set. Now we're going to enter that information into KODI. So go ahead and open your KODI. Okay, so in your KODI, head over to the gear. In a build, you want to go into File Manager. Click File Manager. Then you want to click on Add Source. And then click in the box that says None. Type in this address, http://thebeast2.com/repo. Alright, check your spelling there and then hit OK. Scroll down to this box, click on it, and rename it. A dot will bring it to the front. .beast or anything you like. Then over to OK. Scroll down one, hit OK. And now you can back out twice. Scroll down. Click on Add-ons. Scroll up, click on the box. Now you can click Install from zip file. Find your beast and click on it. And click on the repository. Now click on the zip. Now you'll wait for your pop-up. And there it is. Okay, so now we're ready to install from repository. Click there and find the beast. Okay, so you want to click on Beast Repository and Program Add-ons. Okay, so depending on where you are, US or UK, but either server will work. So you're having trouble on one, go to the other. So go ahead and click Install. This will bring up the build menu. But also to the left here is a Save Data menu. So if there is anything from your current build that you want to save, add-ons, login information, you want to click on the Save Data menu first. So go ahead and click on Build menu. Okay, so this is going to tell you need to log in. So go over to Enter Details and use the email that you signed up with. Hit OK. And enter the password that you made there. And hit OK. Okay, so we can go back to the build menu. And here we go. This is the Beast Encore from December 29th. And then there's some other ones here. There's a shield. So they have some other builds here. And they're very nice. The Beast is very nice. But today we're going to do Encore. Alright, so let's click right there on Encore. It was updated recently. Click there. Okay, so we need to wipe and install if you have anything on your KODI. So wipe and install. Click here. Do you wish to restore? I'm going to say yes. Okay, so then you get this pop-up here. Your KODI has been cleared and we will install the Beast Encore, December 29 version 1.03. Hit OK. Would you like to install yes? So this is a very nice size. Should run great on any device. Okay, so this will prompt you to force close KODI. Hit OK. And hit yes, close. If yours does not close, please unplug your device and re-plug it in. Okay, so now you can just reopen your KODI. And look at the Beast. And here we go. So this is a perfect replacement for the Pulse builds. It has a very clean and simple look that I love. Okay, everybody, enjoy your build. See you soon.